So, if Valorant here is not opening for you and you want to fix it, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to make sure that apps or Valorant or Riot is not running in the background. Now, in some cases, this is kind of weird. Like if the Valorant or it also happens for League of Legends, surprisingly, but what it happens is usually the app or the game is still running in the background. You're just not aware. So you want to press Control Shift Escape on your keyboard, or you want to search for Task Manager in your search bar here. And in here, you want to go and just look for right client or Valorant here. So if you do see it, what you just need to do is you want to go and just right click. Like for example, this is it. Or you want to right click on it, click on End Task, and you want to go and close anything that is related to Riot here. So once you do see that, again, End Task, and basically you can go and just restart or open up Riot, or you want to open up Valorant again and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to update your GPU. Now, sometimes a GPU that is not updated, like it's been like few months, like 5 months since you've updated your GPU, well, that would cause problems with your PC or laptop. Now, in this case, go and just update that. So if you have NVIDIA, you want to open up the NVIDIA app here. And inside the NVIDIA app, you want to go ahead and just click on the drivers option, click on install or update, wait for a while to start your PC and see if that helps. Now, also, you may want to visit your services. So you want to go to search here, just type in services, open it up. And under services, you want to look for VGC. So you want to select one of the apps or names here. Just type in V, and you want to look for VGC. Right click on it. You want to go and choose the properties option, and you want to set this to automatic. Now, once you have this on automatic, you go and click on apply, okay, and that should solve your problem. Also, additionally, you can go and right click on it and make sure that it actually is running. You can go and click on start here. And once you've done that, see if that helps. And finally, you want to go and just visit your system configuration. Now, in here, it's go and just type in system configuration, search for it. And same thing, you need to look for VGC. So you want to go to services, and again, you want to select one of them, VGC, make sure it's ticked. So if it has some tick here, you're good. But if not, you go and just make sure it has a check on it. Click on apply, okay, and see if that helps. And finally, the last and final thing here that you could do, just in case nothing works for you, is you may want to repair the actual game. So at the top right, you want to go and click on your profile, click on settings, and you want to go ahead and just choose Valorant, click on repair here, and wait for the game to repair. Now, sometimes files may be altered, that's why it's not popping up or it's not booting up, but that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.